Hey, all right, let's get going. We're gonna go over how to draw Godzilla shooting his atomic breath, but right at the camera, okay? It's a different view than normal, so let's go through this step by step together, all right? So, first thing I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna start with kind of the top of Godzilla's head right there. It's just gonna be this slight curve, There's gonna be a space between it because we wanna add some spikes to the top of that. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to pull up, down, up over here, down, up over here, down. Kind of just to show, like, you know, there's some sort of a spike network going on behind there. Okay. Then we're going to go over here now, pull out, down, kind of for the brow area, right? The brow is right above the eyebrow. Sorry about that, I should project my voice a little bit. I'm talking kind of low, forgive me. It's been a wild month, by the way. Hopefully you guys are chilling out. Curve over here. I definitely want to hear from you guys, like say, hey, what's up in the comments, or talk about your day. I respond to every comment, like every comment I respond to, so just let me know. All right, so that's gonna be where the brow starts, That's gonna be where the snout starts, kind of that mouth portion. Pull down over here, pull up. It's kind of pulling that eye down right there. Down over here, up. Down. Down. Curve up for the eye, for Godzilla's eye. Over here on the other side, do the exact same thing. Curl up over here. All right, pull out. Cool. Go out, down, in on that side. Fill it in. It's going to be the nostril, right? The nostril's right in our face. Down over here. Fill that in. Curve. Curve. Let's go over here now. Out, down, out, down, out, down, out, down for the side of the face. Go over here now, out, down, a little bit of a ladder shape to kind of get some of the kind of texture going on. Don't forget to hit the like video, by the way. The Godzilla videos always get a lot of likes. Like if I get, let me see, I'm gonna start making prizes or something. Like I want to get at least like 100 likes per video. If I can do that, I don't know, I'll do something. I'll figure it out, but we'll see. I haven't announced a contest or anything like that yet. Teeth on one side, tooth on the other side. We're gonna go over here, curve down, up over here, pull up for kind of the mouth area right there. One side of it connected, one side of it didn't. And then we're gonna throw regular sized teeth along here. He looks way different just looking straight up front, I gotta say. Curve around the corner for the bags under the eyes. And then that's gonna lead to some texture. Pull up, curve, curve. So far, so good. Pulling in now, kind of the cheekbone area. Curve, line down. Curve over here, line down. I'm trying to find that loose skin on the side. Oh, it looks like more teeth. Out over here for the jaw. Down. Out over here, down for the jaw. Down over here. We're gonna leave that open because we're gonna put the atomic breath sticking out of there. And he's got a huge neck. So right here, let me give it a little bit of a texture over here on the side. So remember, this Godzilla looking right at us. If you have any other suggestions for, like, you know, a drawing lesson, let me know in the comments. Just literally type it in, and I'll get back to it. Alrighty. And we're gonna go over here now to the mouth, and we're gonna have the atomic breath coming right out of him. So right here, this is gonna be a little bit more jaggedy. It's gonna get bigger as it comes right at us. Right there. Over here now. Just like a stair step all the way down. Stair step, stair step, stair step. There you go. Looking good so far, I think. Looking great, actually. I love it. Draw down here, maybe the shoulder. It's kind of vignetted outward in that area. Cover up, you know, whatever area needs to be covered up. Maybe put the teeth over here, some of the teeth on the side. Line around the side over here. And what we could do is we could fill in some of the dark that would be in his mouth, kind of around there, just a little bit. Just kind of make it stand out. You want that contrast to really stand out there. Line, 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 line. Just kind of like, you know, the texture as it goes downward. Same thing over here on the snout. Line over here. Line over here. Line right there. Just these thinner lines to give it a little bit of, you want that little bit of rough texture everywhere. And throw a little bit of a darker line over here on the eyes. And it'll give it like some more focus right there. It kind of gives it a little bit more of a, like he's peering right at us, right, as he's, you know, shooting atomic breath at us. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to stick around and do another video with me, okay? The more you do these, the better. It's just fun to do these. It's like a blast to do these, you know? Ha, get it? Okay. Check out the new blog and also check out the stickers I'm going to put out. and put a link to some stickers below, hopefully. Other than that, pick up the new ebook. You know the new ebook. Pick up the ebook. It is How to Draw Anything Cute. If you're interested in drawing cute stuff, absolutely do get that ebook. It's awesome. That's pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to say, hey, what's up to me in the comments, if nothing else. And we're going to do another video together. And I want you to do another video together with me right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.